Hi everyone, I am Hema from ECE Department, Assistant Professor in Vigyan Nirla Institute of Technology and Science for Women. Now I am discussing about the topic was BCD adder circuit. In BCD, normally the BCD addition is if sum is greater than or equal to is there, then we add the plus 6. Otherwise, we add all zeros in binary form. Okay. Next, BCD adder circuit. Okay, in BCD adder circuit, coming to the truth table, it's not normally BCD numbers representation, that is only 0 to 9 only. These are the S0, S1, S2, S3 are the inputs and output is only Y. And here we write down the in binary form, write down the zeros, 0, 0, 0, 1. Madam, pass share. Normally in BCD binary representation only 0 to 9. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In BCD number representation, binary representation 0 to 9 is all zeros. This is the output. If sum is greater than 9, then output is occurs an error. 0, 1, 0. This is 15. 0 to 15 in binary representation. Here this is greater than 9, occurs error. So it is you have to correct the sum. And next we draw the K map. K map, here we are taking the 4 input variables, that is S3, S2, S1, S0. These are the input variables. Here we are taking the 4 variable K map. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In truth table, greater than 9. So these are ones. So 12, 13, 14, 15 and 10, 11. We are mapping the cells. Here 12, 13, 14, 15. These are considered one group. This is the first group. And what are the input variables? This is corresponding to the cells is 1, 1, that is S2 and S3. S2, S3. And next group is 10, 11, 14, 15. Okay, this is the second group. In common variables are S3 and S1. Okay, this is the S3, S2, S3, S2 bar. And this is S1, S0, S1, S0 bar. And write down the expression. Here output variable is Y. Y equal to S2, S3 plus S3, S1. This is the Boolean equation. Here we are using the AND gate and OR gate. And next coming to the logic diagram, that is BCD adder circuit. Okay. This is the 4-bit binary adder. 4-bit binary adder. Okay, here this is A0, A1, A2, A3, and this is B0, B1, B2 and B3. Okay, this is the carry in. Initially we are taking the 0 ground connection, and this is C out. Okay, here we are taking S0, S1, S2, S3. In this equation y equal to S2, S3, we are taking the AND gate. This is S2 and S3. We are taking the AND gate. And next S3 and S1. S3 and S1. This is another AND gate. In both two groups connect with OR gate. And here COT is also connected with OR gate. Okay, and this is four-bit adder circuit. Four-bit adder circuit. Here this is C in and this is C0. S0, S1, S2, S3. Okay, and this is normally this is default, this is 0 and this is 0. And next, for example, I am normally BCD addition. For example, I am taking A value is 3 and B value is 2 and convert binary form. 3 means 0 0 1 1 and 2 means 0 0 1 0. Normally binary operation 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 carry 1 sum 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. This is 5. Okay, in BCD addition, what are the steps? If sum is greater than 9, then add plus 6 in binary form 0 1 1 0. Okay, if sum is greater than or equal to 9 is there or carry is there, then add plus 6. Otherwise, we add the zeros in binary form. Okay, here no carry is there, so no add plus 6. Here this is LSB bit A0, A1, A2, A3. This is B0, B1, B2 and B3. Okay, here A0 bit is 1 and A1 bit is 1 and A2 bit is 0 and A3 bit is 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, and B0 bit is 0 and B1 is 1 and B2 is 0 and B3 is 0. Okay, normally in addition operation what you got? 0 1 0 1. Here carry is 0 1 0 plus 1 1 and A1 plus B1 bits are 1 plus 1 carry 1, sum 0. Okay, and next a2 plus b2, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, the carry is 0, sum is 1, and 0 plus 0, 0. Here carry in is connected with OR gate. This is carry out. This is a OR gate. This is 0. And here this AND gate is S3 and S0, S2. Here the bit is 0 and here the bit is 1. In AND gate, what is the operation? If two inputs are high, then output is high. Okay, in that case 0, 1. AND gate is 0. Output is 0. And next, this AND gate. This is S3, this bit is 0. And here this bit is S1, this bit is 0. Okay. In AND operation, two inputs are high, then output is high. Otherwise, in all cases is zeros. In OR gate, if two inputs are zeros, then output is 0. Okay. Here, three inputs is there. Here all inputs are zeros. Then output is 0. Okay. This is connected with 4-bit adder. This is 0, 0. Here this is S0, S1, S2, S3. Here the bits are 0, 1, 0, 1. Here the bit is all 0. Here we are these two bits, 0 plus 1, sum 1, and 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 1, 1, and 0 plus 0, 0. Carry is 0 and carry out is 0. Okay, this is the in decimal form, this is bit is 5. Normally we take the 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, is it clear? Here the carry out is 1 is there. So here output is 1. For example, if carry is there, that is 1 is there. Here greater than, sum is greater than 9. Then add 0, 110 and this sum plus 6. Then you get the result. This is the explanation of the adder BCD adder circuit. Okay.